Hey, babe, what's wrong?
I'm fiending.
Well, let's see what I can do tonight, but... Hey, can you hold on to the doorbell ring, okay?
Okay.
Hey. I got something for you today. You want to see?
Oh man, you got the good stuff. The
Yeah, I
Russian stuff.
sure did.
Dude, can you fix me up, please?
Come on.
Oh, I gotta have this bad. Oh, hold on. Let me get it.
Let's get it. We can get it. Get it on. How does that feel? Is that gonna work?
Much better.
Well, now I'm gonna leave you alone here. You can have at it with it and do your thing.
Strawberry fields forever.
Amen. Good night.